Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Well, today I wanted to show you how to make a shavings tinder bundle that will work when you need it to. Imagine if everything is soaking wet outside and your only options are to go ahead and make a bow drill friction fire. So if you find some dead standing, of course you'll get some dry wood out of it to make your bow drill set, but you're going to need a really good tinder bundle and everything is soaking wet. That's a situation where you would need to use a shavings tinder bundle. And that's pretty much what I'm going to demonstrate today. This whole 6-piece set is made out of one piece of Virginia pine, of course, except for the t-shirt bowstring, t-shirt cordage. So this is our little short bow. This is the fireboard that we made up the other day. You remember the spindle that had the big hole right in the center? This is the fat wood bearing block. And although there was just a little spot of fat wood where that branch was at, it still feels good and slick. And here is the ember catch. I got all the feathers and the scrapings off of this ember catch the other day. So I think I'll get the shavings, the feathers, and the scrapings off of this piece, the fireboard. Let's just start off making our shavings, the coarse shavings. Doesn't matter how big they are, really. It's just going to be sort of a base for the tinder bundle, sort of a foundation. Yeah, that's enough. I went overboard. All right, that's going to be plenty of the feathers. And I guess that's probably thick feathers right there. So we'll call this coarse shavings. Let's just call them medium shavings. Coarse and medium. Let's do some scrapings. Now, let's put it all together and we'll make a bow drill ember. I want to reserve some of this powder. So there'll be a little powder under these coarse shavings. There'll be a little powder under these. And then right in the center, we'll put these. And there's plenty of powder under these. That's where we'll set the ember, and then this powder will go right on top of the ember. All that scraping really takes a toll on that spine, but this spine is still good and sharp. This is a stainless steel Mora companion. Let's put a double wrap on it. I'm gonna get my other bow, hold on. I bet you it'll work now. All right, here we go. Try to protect it from the rain. That needs to coalesce, so it doesn't matter that the wind is blowing, that it's raining. I have to give it time to coalesce. Now, worked pretty good. Put the rest of this ember catch on there. All right. There's always something you have to adapt to. You're always going to have to improvise. Even when you're in ideal conditions like this, they can turn bad in a hurry. All right, y'all, before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all, and do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.